Hi, I'm Rachel from crucialvacuum.com, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your washable and reusable pre-filter from the Dyson Digital Slim DC35. So all you have to do is pop this chamber off, take out your old filter. They look almost identical. Take out your new washable and reusable pre-filter from crucialvacuum.com.
Ooh, crucialvacuum.com.
Take this new filter out, pop it right into the chamber, like so. Make sure it's snug and tight. And then all you're gonna do is simply slide this chamber right back in here. Make sure it's nice and snug, and I'll see you at crucialvacuum.com. Yeah, baby.